Have you ever wondered what to do with these tough asparagus ends? Well, today we're turning what most people toss into a rich, velvety, Floribbean style bisque that's gonna blow your mind. Stick around because waste not, want not. And in my kitchen, everything gets a second chance to shine. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Floribbean Cuisine. Let's get cooking. This is gonna be a nice, flavorful, fun one. Asparagus, a soup that's always soothing to the soul. Oh my goodness. This particular asparagus here, cut that part out. So I had a party not too long ago and on the menu had asparagus. So what I ended up having is a lot of asparagus ends left over. So why not create a nice little soup? So that's why I'm gonna be bringing you guys as well. Some fun facts about asparagus. Did you know asparagus has been enjoyed for over 2,000 years, dating back to ancient Egypt and Rome? They believe it has medicinal and even aphrodisiac properties. The king of vegetables in Europe, asparagus has once been considered as a luxury food only to royalty. Now we can get to enjoy it. Asparagus comes in different colors, of course. We got the old popular green asparagus. You can even find it in the white asparagus. The nutrition factor in asparagus, nature's detoxifier. Asparagus is packed full of antioxidants. Great for gut health. It's a mood booster. It contains folate, which helps your brain function and can even improve your mood. So if you're feeling a little off, grab some asparagus. Thickness matters. Thin asparagus cook quickly and they're great for stir fries, while thick asparagus are great for grilling and roasted. For the best, look for firm, straight stalks with straight tips. If the tips are mushy, they're past its prime. Store asparagus like flowers. Trim the ends, stand them up in a jar of water, refrigerate them for fresher, and they will stay longer that way. We are gonna have some fun, so let's start going, okay? Looking at your asparagus, as you was talking about, you got asparagus that has a tender part and a woodsy part. Asparagus got a natural breakage. I'm gonna show you how to determine where you can break your asparagus. Some people can determine it by feeling it, using a knife and cutting it. But for those of you who do not understand that whole process of what's tender and what's woodsy, let me show that to you. Take your asparagus, what you can do, the asparagus is pliable. It's pliable, you see that? And if you continue going down the stem and where it snaps naturally, where it snaps naturally, that's where you know this is the tender part, this is the woodsy part. This is the part we are gonna be using to extract a lot of flavorful asparagus stuff. You don't want to throw this away. Like I said, waste not, want not. This is gonna be nice. So let's get started cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a flavorful, rich asparagus stock. A stock is basically deriving the flavor of that particular ingredient. In this case, it's asparagus. You can make a beef stock using beef bones to get all of that beef flavor. You can use a chicken stock. You can do a chicken stock using the chicken bones to derive all of that flavor. So that's what we're gonna do. We're building a base for this beautiful, silky, Floribbean style asparagus bisque. So if you notice, I've got a lot of asparagus ends from a party that I had going on earlier this week. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of these asparagus ends and just smash it. And by smashing it, I'm just releasing the opportunity for more flavor to enter into my stock. You don't have to do this, but this is just an extra thing that I like to do. So we're gonna smash some of this. All right, I'm just adding the asparagus. Follow that, I'm gonna have some chopped onions. Flavor that with some garlic, some peppercorns. We're gonna follow it with some allspice. We're gonna bring all of this up to a boil. We're gonna let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. We're just trying to extract all that beautiful flavor from these asparagus stocks. So while that's cooking in the back, still gonna put it in the back, I'm gonna start prepping these asparagus. The tender parts, I'm gonna start cutting them down for garnish and more flavor. The process on this is so flavorful and so amazing. You guys gonna like this one. All right, what I'm doing here, I'm basically gonna create asparagus tips. This is gonna be garnish for the soup, and I'm gonna use the rest of it to finish off the soup. As I was showing you earlier, have a close-up shot. If you want to take your asparagus to understand where the breaking point is naturally, you go down the stem. Of course, you know this is the tender side. Imagine where it can be broken off at. Go and feel it. You can feel the flexibility, and it's gonna snap you naturally. Right here, this is the one part. This is a woodsy part. It's hard to eat. This is great for the stuff we're making this soup with. So right now, like I said, all I'm gonna be doing right now is while the stock is boiling away, creating that flavor for me, I'm just basically creating and taking some asparagus, making some asparagus tips. And I'm gonna use some of this for the other process of the soup. This is gonna be nice, baby. Hey, please, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like what I'm doing every week and bringing you guys, please share it, make a comment. And if you'd like to see me make something, also make a comment. I would love to make whatever you guys are suggesting. It's all a good affair, learning, flavorful fun. That's right, baby. Ah, yum. You can see how this is simmering away. It's not a hard boil. I'm simmering it, gently extracting the flavor out of the asparagus ends, the woodsy part, and onions and other aromatics that I have in here. This is gonna be super flavorful. So, I took it off the stove. I've been boiling this for about 25-30 minutes. That's sufficient time to get all this nice and tender. It changed color a little bit. Oh man, the smell is amazing. So this is what's left behind. You're gonna strain all of this good stuff. And we're gonna discard. Look at that. Look how beautiful this looks already. Beautiful, rich asparagus broth, stock, whatever you want to call it. All right, so let's start building this masterpiece. Okay, we've got a small sauce pot on the stove, a little bit of olive oil. To that olive oil, we're gonna put our aromatics. We've got what we call a mirepoix. Most soups call for a mirepoix. Mirepoix basically is carrots, celery, and onions. That is called a mirepoix. This is sweating down really good, smelling really good. Following that, I'm gonna add the strained asparagus broth or stock, what you want to call it. You're gonna start flavoring this up. We're gonna add some potatoes. White potatoes. The potatoes gonna add as we're cooking it. Bring this up to a boil. We're gonna flavor this with some garlic. I should have put the garlic in when it was sauteed, but hey, it doesn't matter. We're gonna blend all this. It's gonna be nice, flavorful fun. I've got some ground coriander, a little smoked paprika for that little smoky element. While this is coming to a boil, waiting for this to come to a boil, we're gonna introduce some fresh ginger to this. Some fresh grated ginger. Oh yeah, nice. This has that nice, beautiful earthiness that ginger brings to the. Ginger got an old thing. Ginger has this their own identity when they're being added to beautiful foods like this. Oh yeah, not that much. You're gonna get that in there and squeeze that over. Beautiful. Oh yes, this is looking really good. The beautiful green. Look at it. Oh, look at the tinge of that. The asparagus starts to do this work. And to add even more flavor, you remember those asparagus tips that I cut up? We're gonna add that to the party as well. This is more flavor on top of flavor. Ha! This Floribbean Asparagus Bisque is gonna blow your mind. So the next step is this. We're just trying to get all of this tender. Once it's nice and tender, we're gonna take an immersion blender to it and bring all of this home. Oh yes, I'm so excited. Guys, don't forget to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. More fun stuff coming your way every week right here on Floribbean Cuisine with Chef Winston. Love it, love it, love it. Oh man, this is smelling amazing. It's been boiling away. The carrots are tender. The potatoes are tender. Oh, it smells so good. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna take an immersion blender. Stick blender, immersion blender, all in the same. And we're gonna start pulsing and bringing all of these flavors together. There it looks like. All of these morsels is gonna be blended up into nice, one smooth consistency. Look how beautiful it's coming together. We're not done yet. Woo, man. All of this beautifulness, it's so thick it's getting. The potatoes is contributing to the thickness of this. This bisque is gonna be so good. We still got to add some coconut milk. So while this is here rolling like this, we're gonna add our coconut milk. See that? The coconut milk bringing together that nice velvety look that we're looking for. Oh man. Oh, look how beautiful this looks. Nice and silky, velvety. I'm gonna add in a little bit of spice. If I had scotch bonnet, I would have put it in there, some fresh thyme, but I don't have any scotch bonnet nor fresh thyme. But it's okay. That's okay. Follow that. I've got some fresh lime juice. You know, I like to put some lime juice, it wakens up the party. This masterpiece looking really, really good. You guys gonna love this one. You guys gonna enjoy this one. The immersion blender has done its thing. Turn this off. It's still simmering a little bit. And behind that, we're gonna add, remember the asparagus that I had earlier, the asparagus tips? They're not cooked. We're gonna put it in here as garnish, as texture, little crunch to this bisque. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey, let's hold this up, give this a taste. I'm so excited, yes! Oh man. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, before we boil it up, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, just a touch. This particular dish right here, it also could be vegan. He said I didn't put any animal products in this. Straight vegan, smells good. We're gonna take this here and we're gonna put the asparagus in there. Oh my gosh, smells so good. The consistency, look at that. The consistency is nice. A nice thick bisque. Oh, let's give this a taste. Let's give this a taste. It's a little hot. Oh my gosh. One more time, one more time. Let me get the asparagus. Oh, there it is. That's the taste I'm looking for. Soca music ramping up. Woo! Ah! Yo! Ay, 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 ay. Let me tell you what's happening here. The asparagus ends, the woodsy part that I use, we boil that down with some garlic, some other aromatic spices. Oh man. Woo! To create that flavorful, rich stock. Once we did that, we drained it. We strained all of that stuff. We used that stock as the base. We sauteed some carrots, onions, celery. The mirepoix, we flavored it up with some more garlic and some paprika, some coriander, some lime juice. Oh, flavor it and season it to taste with some salt. This right here definitely is a winner. Guys, you gotta give this one a shot. The ingredients for this is listed below. And the recipe for this is also listed below in a digital form. You guys gotta give this one a shot. Please make a comment about this. Guys, I'm gonna sit back and enjoy this Floribbean style asparagus bisque and the coconut milk. It shines through as well. Guys, don't forget, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss one single episode. Until next time, with another winner coming through to you. Cheers! All right.